Let me look at it real quick. If you've ever wondered how and where to change your headlight bulb, this right here, just look in the back and find this orange cap that is attached to this black thing, and that's your headlight. It's going to clip off right here. This is going to pull out, and then this will twist off counterclockwise. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it holding the phone, but let me look at it real quick. Okay, so it took me a second to press that down. I have weak hands now. So all it does is you press this little clip and this comes off. When you touch this, though, everything I read says to wear gloves. I mean, this headlight or this bulb is dead, but the new bulb, if you touch it with your hands, it has a chance of shattering. So I'm just not going to take a chance, and I'm wearing gloves. And there it is. It can only go in, you see it has 3 prongs that it'll fit in the same way. The headlights the bulbs that I just looked at have white, yellow, and some other color. So I'm going to go look at the one that has a yellow ring on it. And I'm right here at AutoZone, and they make it super, super easy to find out which bulb goes with your car. But I wanted to get this out and bring it in there with me just in case. Okay, for my RAV4, I'm looking for this number, 9012. And like I said, the old bulb had that yellow ring around it, and the new bulb has the yellow ring around it. Now, they do recommend that you replace both headlights at the same time, but I'm not going to right now. I'm just going to replace one. Okay, the one thing that I wasn't aware of is this was just $2. When you go to put the new bulb in, they advise to put a little bit of this bulb grease on the inside of this part of the connection and on this end of the connection, and it just helps seal out moisture and corrosion. And so that's the only part I wasn't aware of. So I'll do that, and then when you go to put this bulb in, you have to be sure not to clank it around inside this metal, and do not touch it with your fingers. That's the most important takeaway that I've learned. And then you just lock it into place and connect it, and that's okay. The new bulb is in, but I will say this. There it is. Remember, there were 3 prongs. I was easily able to turn that to the right and lock it down with one of those prongs being out of the connector. So it only had 2 prongs in there. So make sure that when you go to, hopefully you can hear me, had my hand over the microphone. Make sure that when you go to put the prongs in, that you have a good eye on all 3 prongs, and that it's actually going in the right direction, and that it's connected all the way. Now we'll go see if it actually works, and if that was it. I'm sure it was. Okay, now I have a headlight that works. I have 2 headlights that work, but I can tell that one is brighter than the left side, so I probably should have replaced both of them, but oh well. So now we know how to change a light bulb.